Hey everybody, summer is here and it is a great time to think about some outdoor entertaining, especially after the last year that we've had. It's going to be great to invite people over and celebrate the summer season. I'm Jill Bauer from JustJill.com, your go-to gal for all things home. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel, and I'd love it if you'd subscribe so you can keep up to date on all of our happenings here at Just Jill Bauer. So let's get down to what I consider to be a whole bunch of entertaining essentials when you're going to be having people over outside. And whether it's just a few friends or you're having a huge summer bash, these are things that are really going to make your life easier. So let's start with a few things that I think are essentials when it comes to outdoor entertaining. It starts with some of the dishes that you're going to be using. And if you're worried about people maybe having a glass of wine too many and maybe dropping something and having broken glass, then you absolutely should invest in a set of melamine dishware. Whether that is wine glasses or beautiful trays, they're so functional, they hold up well, they wash easily, and you never have to worry about broken glass around a pool. So investing in a good set of acrylic glasses, I always think, is an absolute must-have. I love melamine dishware as well. Pretty trays to put out your things that you're serving, or even to use when you are putting together a centerpiece, really can come in handy. Now, if you want to have something a little more elevated and you're not worried about things breaking, then a nice heavy goblet glass is also great to use. I love those that have a little bit of color and a little texture to them. They always look rich and they feel great in your hands. And when you're serving drinks, try to invest in one of those great clear glass beverage servers. Whether you're mixing up a signature drink for your party or you just want to have water or lemonade ready for guests to serve themselves, it's a great piece to put out. It looks decorative. A little tip: float some fruit inside of whatever you're serving to give it a little bit of color and interest. And be sure to set up some kind of a bar cart area. That just makes it easier for people to know where to go to when you're entertaining. It's where they can go to grab a drink, it's where they can go to grab a little snack, and you don't always have to be the one worrying about serving them. I like to put some kind of a table runner on those surfaces. I feel like they really finish things off nicely. Now, one of the problems that people sometimes run into when they're having parties outdoors, the bugs. So what can you do about that? Well, Citronella candles are fantastic. Check out this jumbo size Citronella candle that I found. It comes in this huge galvanized bucket with a distressed wood top, so it looks really decorative, and you can even use it as a display piece. But when the bugs start to come out, take that lid off, light that candle, and you have something that's going to help to hopefully keep those bugs away. And if you're worried about bugs buzzing around your food, try to find some kind of a great food cover. I love this style that has a retractable top, so it has a woven tray already built in underneath. The top goes on over very easily, and now you don't have to worry about flies or bees landing in those sweet treats. If you are planning a big summer barbecue, I can't think of anything better to serve than corn on the cob. But you know what's tricky? When you're having a big party, how are people going to actually do the melted butter on that corn? Well, check out Butter Boy. Butter Boy is this cute little item where you can put half of a stick of butter inside. It's easy to pick up, it's easy to pass around, and it's the perfect way to get a great distribution of melted butter on that wonderful summer corn on the cob. And as one finishing touch, I love to find items that multitask. So check out these gorgeous glowing solar lanterns, or kind of mason jar styles, that I love to have along my walkway in the evening time. They glisten just beautifully, and they have a little bit of a coastal vibe to them with the wrapped rope. But during the daytime, when they would just look like colored glass, they are perfect to use as a display for cut flowers. These are actually some flowers I cut from my garden, these gorgeous summer hydrangeas, and I put them inside one of those, just took the solar lid off. Now I have a great vase, beautiful for display by day, and as it starts to get dark, I can dump out the water, put the solar cap back on, and now I have that glistening glow to put around my party. So I hope this gives you a few ideas of things that I think are essential when it comes to outdoor entertaining this summer. If you're interested in any of the items that I've shown you, just look in the description right below where it says see more, and I've provided links to everything that I've shown you in my outdoor entertaining segment. And if you want more great recipe ideas or more cleaning tips or party hacks, be sure to check out my website at justjill.com and be sure to subscribe to me here at Just Jill Bauer so you can keep up to date of all things at Just Jill.